Spider-Man. Today I'm gonna cook my slime for you guys. So this is the first video slime I made, but I made lots of slime videos, especially this one. I made lots of slime. I wish maybe you can see it, but it's gonna be a little short. And it's called floral slime. It's hard to stretch because it's been like 5 months since I made this. And I made it with cornstarch and glue and Arial liquid powder detergent. So comment down below if you want me to make a how to make slime video. Maybe I'm gonna make one on Monday. You don't need to request, or you don't need to request. I don't know if I'm gonna make one on Monday, but yeah. So yeah guys, this is my slime. I'm poking it for you guys. Wish you can see it. So yeah guys, it's pretty lightning. Maybe guys, I will be doing a slime video with Jacob Macabante. He's one of my best BFFs ever. So check his channel. Search Jacob Macabante. Jacob Macabante. He has 2 channels by now, but click the one with 1 subscribers. That's where he will review his lines, and maybe we will do a how to make slime video tomorrow. So yeah guys, I'm gonna poke it, or maybe we're gonna make 10 different slime makers, or gonna make a how to make slime video. We're sure that we're gonna make a slime video about making slime, but if it's not tomorrow, maybe on Monday or Sunday. So yeah, I'm nearly gonna end the video. It's been 2 minutes since I'm making this video. Maybe I will stop after maybe I will stop after 3 minutes or something. So yeah guys, I'm nearly gonna say bye. 8:59. So yeah guys, bye.